Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Photoshop and select the Type tool, then click the existing text layer or click to create new text. Once selected, highlight the characters you want to change. The font size appears in the options bar and in the character panel. Make sure your document uses points or pixels depending on output, points for print, pixels for screen. Once done, type a new numeric value in the size field or open the character panel to type precise measurements and see immediate results. Now refine the size precisely. Open the character panel to enter decimal sizes, adjust leading, and track spacing so the layout remains balanced. If you prefer visual scaling, press Free Transform and drag a corner. Hold Shift to maintain proportions while you scale. Make small numeric changes in the size field for pixel-perfect control. Typed values give predictable output. Also toggle anti-aliasing modes in the options bar to preview sharpness, because smoothing affects perceived size and legibility on different. Finish by pressing Enter to apply the size change, and make a habit of keeping the text layer editable. Convert it to a smart object before repeated transforms to preserve quality. If you need pixel-level edits, rasterize a duplicate so you keep an editable original. If the size control is unavailable, reselect the Type tool and confirm a text layer is active. That fixes the common gray field issue. If text looks blurry after scaling, convert to a smart object or re-enter a precise size in the character panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.